Hello there and welcome. The incredible sight of a cave being illuminated by millions of glowworms. Here we see a magnificent phenomena as a seemingly endless waterfall of clouds rolls over hills in Australia.
Very common flying that rages to the ocean.
And the flow of the water has cut a perfect circle in the ice, and it's been sitting here spinning around for a few hours. I saw it earlier and thought I'd come back and take a little video to share with everyone.
This beautiful and iridescent cloud was recently spotted in China. Here is a mesmerizing display of volcanic lightning during an eruption in the Philippines in 2020.
Ini doang nih. Tuh. Di sini doang nih hujan nih. Ini di sini doang hujan, lihat. Nih. Luar biasa, kok bisa ya? Kok bisa ya?
This twitching pillar of light is known as a crown flash. It's one of the world's rarest natural phenomena, and it's still a mystery as to how they occur.
Guys, this is real.
Wait.
Straight from a horror movie.
It is?
No, I'm just saying it looks like one.
Wait,
And it's moving so fast.
look!
I know.
It's the official Hell vs. Heaven.
Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee.
The waters of Australia's Lake Hillier are bubblegum pink due to a mixture of bacteria and algae, and the great thing is, it's totally safe to swim in. This is the Devil's Woodyard mud volcano in Trinidad, and it erupts on average every 29 years. Incredible and rare footage of a rainbow that formed in a waterfall.
Pero dice que es grande, ¿va mucho?
Wow,
Miren, 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 cabal, ahorita lo
¿Agarraste?
Ah, lo agarré, cabal. Qué espectacular. Ah.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.